Shidim Shari. It is Thursday, July 11th, the big day. We know where we will know soon where the market's gonna go. But for now, let's focus on Pepsi. Earning came out about 45, 50 minutes ago. And as you can see, it's down just below 160 right now pre-market. It was a mixed bag from what I can see in the headline. But let's jump real quick to the news, okay? Let's take real quick. Real quickly, let's see. Reiterate 24 number outlook 815 to 816. Organic growth of 4%. Let's see. Blah blah blah. Let's scroll down. Quaker division down 18%. Earning the earning beat, right, 228 compared to 16, but sales missed by a little bit. 22.5 was the number. They missed by 22.6. That's not a really big deal. I need to dive deeper in the number after. I want to see where the weakness is. No doubt, you can see right here, Frito-Lay, that's the chip division, revenue down 0.5%. The key question is, where is it down or growth less than expectation? Okay, so we'll see. I need to dive, like I said, I need to dive deeper into the number after I finish this stream, since I just turned on the computer. But for now, not really concerned. Okay, I'm not surprised at the number that it is one of those mixed bag where things are not doing great, things are not falling apart. The question is, where can we go? No doubt, right there, right? Is it a surprise that it's right now teetering around 159 ish? Yeah, ref low. Okay. Now, if that failed, then can it come down to this channel low or this trend line, which kind of line up perfectly with the 52-week low? Yeah. So if you want to be patient, what I probably would do on weakness at the open is sell a put spread down there. Yeah, I would. The question is this going to be for Friday or is this going to be for next Friday? We'll see. If it was for next Friday, if I were looking to sell a put spread for next Friday, it will be lower, okay? Lower than 155. The question is where? Let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, 155. If that's not low enough, then maybe 153, 150 down there. But yeah, we're talking. You know what? This is how weak is Pepsi going back 5 years? Let's go back 5 years. Yeah, it's like I said, it fell out. Okay, forget. You can see I trade Pepsi for a long time because the longer I trade a stock, the busier the chart look. Okay, so it is what it is. One thing we can do is delete stuff that make no sense. Yeah, don't need that line. Even this line here is nonsense because look, it's not even touching anything here. So I'm not sure where does that line come from. I don't know, but let's go back 10 years to see where it came from. It's nonsense. Okay, whatever it is, it's nonsense. Remove. We don't need nonsense. Okay. I think the rest of the line, would I delete this one too? Yes. Who cares? Okay, remove that one. Anything I can do to make this thing less messy, I'm all for that. So take this one out too. I do this once in a while. I should do this more often on many charts, but I will try to do better. Every time I open up a chart, just be patient with me. If I need to clean it up, I will. See, now it is about as clean as it can be. All right, so I already outlined my plan. Okay, definitely will not buy the dip. Let the dust settle. I'm not fearful. Like, oh my God, this is no. But as always, when a company have mixed bag earning like this, no need to jump in. Let the action outline to you what to do next, as far as if it's find a spot to stabilize and go. I will add, I like Pepsi down here. Coke, depend on how the number looks. I need to deep dive into Pepsi number to see how their beverage division do as far as volume and price. But I don't like Coke here. Okay, I would not be holding Coke here. I think you're asking for trouble. Can Coke come down to 61? Yeah. Would I buy Coke at 61? The answer is no. If Coke come down to 61-ish, to the 100 MA, I would sell naked put at 60. Yeah, and collect lunch money there, because anything in the 60 I like, and below I like. Okay, trading 60 and below, buying in has been decent the last 6 months plus. Okay, sure, the profit is slim. you know when you buy like 59-ish and get out at 61-ish, it's not like it's big money. But not here. Sticking with beverage, let's take a look at Bud. I like Bud. uh, I of course bought Bud here and down here. Would I trim Bud at 61.6 up there? Yeah. But it's Bud behave very strange. It's I talk about this every time I open up Bud chart. It just, I like Bud. Okay. Would I buy more Bud on weakness 59 and below? Yeah, I would add to Bud, but not here. I would not. Right at this point, I'm not adding, but I would trim if there's a pop to 61.6. Okay, and above, I would trim. Tab, I've been watching and waiting. I have not added to tab in quite some time. Perhaps it has found the bottom. I don't mind a tab going sideways. In fact, let's see, earning end of July, I'm guessing, based on last quarter earning was April 30th. This one could be July 30th or shortly after. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. There could be a violent move upward if the number is better than expected. I mean, it's been so hated. Okay, this stock has gotten beating up so much the last 3 months. It's ridiculous. I thought for sure it will find some kind of support here, and I was wrong. And it give you a head fake, right? It gives one of those head fake here, and then it hammer you, and then of course right now it's riding the 20. Okay, so not all that strong, but at the same time, let it go sideways. Let the 20 flatten out. Let the 50 come down. There will be time for a breakout eventually. You just have to be patient with this one. Okay, that's it. Anyhow, regardless of what I just said in all four stocks, the CPI, depend on how or what that number is, it can change the dynamic of all four stocks. Okay, whatever the TA look like, we can see a violent move in many stocks. I'm not predicting that PEP can have a breakout to the 50 after the CPI data. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying that whatever I think the stock is going to do right now, I have no idea. Okay, we can have a breakout, or we can have a breakdown. Okay, if the CPI somehow come in hot, so I don't know. That's why I've been very cautious. Same thing with Pepsi. I like Pepsi, but I'm glad I did not buy big into earning. But there will be time to go much bigger on Pepsi, not Coke. Okay, right now I'd rather put my money, add more to Pepsi and not even touch Coke. The risk reward is with Pepsi. All right, people. Good luck today.